So student, today we are going to start our new exercise and which is exercise 10.3. Okay, student, हमने इस चैप्टर को अपनी प्रीवियस क्लास में पढ़ चुके हैं. अभी हम यहाँ पे रिवाइज करेंगे एक्सरसाइज 10.3. ओके, first in this chapter also this exercise is a part of mensuration chapter. Okay, exercise of mensuration chapter. Okay, so also in this chapter we will learn about how we can find the area of rectangular shape and square shape. Clear? So first number question, find the areas of the rectangular both sides are. Question number first is given. Find the areas of, question number first is find the areas of the rectangles find the areas of the rectangles. Okay, whose sides are, it's given now, whose sides are. Okay, so first of the question, find the areas of the rectangles whose sides are. Which type of shape is here? It's about a rectangle shape, now rectangle. So firstly we will understand how we can find the area of any rectangular shape. Rectangle means, you can understand, I know you all are aware what is rectangle and how we can find the area of its rectangle. Rectangle means if four sides are there, okay, four sides and four angles, and also the opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides means this one is not, and this one is, these are equals and these are equals. Means property of rectangles we can understand, okay, means both opposite sides are equal, then we can say it's a rectangle. Clear? So in this question what we have to do, question is find the areas. In this chapter we have to find the area. Area means formula. What is the formula for area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Length into breadth means area of rectangle. So sides are given, now 3 cm and 4 cm. So you can understand, firstly naming we have to do A, B, C and D. Clear? 4. Now A, B, C and D. A, B, C and D. So AB is, if this one is 3 cm, 3 and this 4. Okay, so through the property of rectangle, okay, easily we can understand, if the AB is 4 cm, then CD also, DC also it will be 4 cm, because through the property of rectangle we can understand opposite sides are equal, means AB equal to 4 cm, then also DC it will be 4 cm, and if the AD is 3 cm, the also BC it will be also 3 cm, through the property of rectangle. Okay, in this question we have to find the area. So formula what is? Yes, area equal to area of rectangle equal to L into B. Question is 3 cm and 4 cm. Clear now? Then area of rectangle equal to length into breadth, means L into B also we can write, then 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12 cm, it will be the answer. 12 cm. Clear? Yes. Okay. Now student, second number question, 12 meter and 11 meter. Okay? All the remaining question you all have to solve it. Now second one, find the areas of the square both sides are. Okay? Second number question, in this question find the areas of the squares. Okay, which type of shape is here? In question number 2, area we have to find, na? Area and shape, square shape. Which type of shape? Square. Okay, means again we have to put the formula about square. Okay, so area of square. Area of square. So question is first number 10 centimeter. A equal to 10 centimeter. Clear? And area of square. Area of square equal to formula side square. Side square. Side equal to what is 10. Then we have to put 10 the square. 10 square means how many times we have to write 10? How many times? Yes, 2 times. No? So 2 times how we can write? 10 into 10. Then 10 times 100. Okay? Centimeters will be answer. Clear? First number question. In this question we have to find the areas of rectangular shape. Okay? So formula is length into breadth. And length and breadth. Also it's given in question 3 cm and 4 cm. So that's why we have to put the value of length and breadth. Length is 3 cm and breadth is 4 cm. So 4 is 12 cm. It will be the answer. Clear? Next. Second number question. In this question we have to find the areas of square shape, not rectangle, square shape. Okay? So again we have to put the value of area but of square. Okay? Square. Formula is side square. Side square. So side 10 centimeter. So 10 square means how many times we have to write the 10? 10 into 10 2 times. Then 10 times 100. Okay student? Now third number question is the length and breadth of 3 rectangles are given below. Okay? Third number question, areas, the length and breadth. Also it's given length and breadth, means again in this question we have to find the area. Clear? So question is 9 meter and 6 meter. Means it's question number first. Okay? It will be you have to do like that question number first. ठीक है? From question number first easily you can understand. Na? Means third and first both are same. Okay? And you have to do through the same formula also you can solve it. ठीक है? Okay, thank you.